In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in DocuSign VHA Full 20s and 25 Guide. To get started, open DocuSign and sign into your account. Once you're in, either begin a new envelope or open an existing draft, depending on where you are in your workflow. After that, click Add Documents and upload the PDF or other file you want to send out for review or signing. Next, add your recipients. Enter each recipient's name and email address, then choose the correct role for each person. This is important because comments can be shared differently depending on who needs to see them. From the Add Documents and Recipients screen, open Advanced Options. Scroll until you find the Comments section, then check Enable Comments and save your settings. If that option doesn't appear, it usually means comments haven't been enabled at the account level, so you may need help from your DocuSign administrator before you can continue. Once comments are enabled, click Next to move into the document preparation screen, sometimes called the Add Fields area. Near the top of this workspace, look for the Add Comment icon. Click it to turn on commenting mode. Now place your comment exactly where it belongs in the document. You'll see a blue comment dot that you can drag to the section you want to reference. Click to drop it in place, then type your message in the comment box. For example, you might write, "Please review this section before signing." Keep your comment short and clear so recipients immediately understand what needs attention. Before posting, choose who can see the comment. You can make it visible to all recipients, keep it private for one specific recipient, or set it as a group comment for multiple people. This helps you control the conversation and avoid sharing internal notes with the wrong audience. When everything looks right, click Post. Your comment will now be attached to that exact location in the document. If needed, you can also mention a recipient by using the @ symbol to notify them directly. If you're still working in a draft and want to make changes, open the Comments three-dot menu, select Edit, and update either the message or its visibility settings. When you're ready, review the document and recipient list one last time, then click Send. Recipients you selected will receive notifications about the comment. From the recipient side, they can open the document, click the comment icon, and view the message. If permissions allow it, they can reply directly in the thread. To continue a discussion, simply open the existing comment, type a response, and post it. Finally, if you need to revisit comments later, you can check DocuSign's comment and notification tools, and in some cases, review the available comment history for that envelope.